Today I thought we would do a fun little activity with supplies that you have around your home. So for this you're going to need Q-tips and markers. My markers are already down here, that's why. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by coloring the sides, the edges of our Q-tips. So right now you'll notice they're white, and you're going to end up coloring them so all the sides have a fun little color. So you're going to do a different color on each side. So I'll take my red and I'll color the one side of the Q-tip. You can color all around. And then I'll take maybe a purple. It can be any color you want. And I'll do the other side. Yeah. And you're going to do this until you have maybe about 20. 20 is probably a good number. I'll show you, I've already started mine here. So I've got, yellow, gray and yellow. I have yellow and orange. I have brown and black. So you kind of get the colors, the idea here. And there's a couple things you can do after you've colored them. You can use them just to make anything you want. You can balance them. You can use them to make people if you want. This is their feet, this is their arms. But for this activity, what I did was I got a piece of paper and I divided it into 6 different squares, and I was able to do a different design. So I traced my Q-tips and I drew little lines, and then I drew matching colors. So for instance, I did pink and purple, or red and purple, so I'll get my red and my purple Q-tip, and this will be laying down on the table, and I'll match it up like that. So this is really good for color matching. You can also do it for letters. You notice I made a Z and an A, so I'll find a Q-tip that has a purple and a yellow, and a purple and a black, and then I'll do one across that has a green and a brown. Sometimes it's just fun to do different little lines, different designs. You can do shapes. So this is a really fun activity. This is a good challenge activity. You can make these by yourself, or you can have your parents help you. You can also, like I said, you can do numbers. So you can, what's that? Oh, that's a 1. You can turn it into a 4. It's kind of hard when I only have, there you go, a 4. And most people have Q-tips at their home, so it's, a fun little activity that you have. You don't have to go to the store and go get them. You can use Post-it notes, and you can draw different designs on Post-it notes. So I'm going to make I think I'll just do an X, and then I'll get the colors I want. Let's do an orange on one side, and a green on the other, and then a red and a purple. And then you guys can hide these around your house, if you want to put it on the wall. And then you can go, race. Okay, let's see who can find the most. Oh, I found one. Then you have to go make it. Let's see. Like this. And then when it's done, you leave it and go find another one. And you can challenge yourself. Oh, you have 10 minutes, you have 5 minutes, you have 2 minutes. And whoever gets the most at the end of the 2 minutes wins. So there's a lot of different fun little things you can do with it. And they're, you don't, like I say, you don't have to go to the store. They're right here. They're also reusable, so you don't have to throw them away. You can keep using them as much as you want when you're finished with them. You can even paint. You can dip them in water and see what happens what happens to the color. Does it bleed? Does it change? So I just thought that was a nice little game, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Bye!